Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King Smoked Charcoal Cabinet Smoker. This video will serve as a companion to your assembly manual. You will need the following tools. Open the carton and carefully lay all the components on the ground. Step 1. Using the 4 carriage bolts and wing nuts, secure the leg levelers and casters in place on the rear leg. Step 2. Attach the front and rear legs using the leg brackets. Secure them using the 8 screws provided. Step 3. Remove the cabinet doors and attach the base assembly to the bottom of the cabinet body. Step 4. Stand the cabinet assembly on its feet. Step 5. Attach the bottle opener to the left side of the cabinet using the 2 screws provided. Install the 4 tool hooks, 2 on each side of the cabinet. Step 6. Attach the mobility handle using the 2 chrome-headed bolts. Insert the bushings onto the bolts and secure the handle using the wing nuts provided. Step 7. Install the cabinet body brace with the 4 short screws provided. Step 8. Install the fold-down grease tray using the 4 shoulder screws provided. Now install 2 additional shoulder screws at the closure point of the grease tray. These will allow the tray to lock in the upright position. The lower screws act as a pivot point, while the upper screws act as a guide. Step 9. Attach the temperature gauge and bezel. Complete the upper and lower door assemblies by installing the door handles with bushings and wing nuts. Step 10. Attach the doors using the 4 hinge pins provided. Step 11. Insert the stainless steel charcoal tray and grate into the bottom of the cabinet body. Step 12. On the inside of the cabinet body, install the rack brackets, 2 on each side at the bottom. This will allow access to the water pan from the firebox. Step 13. Install the remaining 8 rack brackets, 4 on each side, for the wire racks. Now space the racks as required, based on your cooking needs. Step 14. You may also use the provided rib and roast rack in combination with the wire racks. Step 15. The stainless steel hooks are another option suitable for smoking fish, sausages, and many other items. Now you have successfully assembled your Broil King Smoked propane cabinet smoker. Before cooking with your cabinet smoker, We recommend building a charcoal fire with 3 to 4 pounds of hardwood lump charcoal and wood chips. This will build a protective layer and prolong the life of your smoker. For more smoking tips and tricks, visit broilkingbbq.com. Now is a good time to register your barbecue grill. Please visit broilkingbbq.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more.